What's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you guys are staying safe. And in this very short video, um, just about 5 minutes, I'm going to share with you how you can earn money by creating your own digital products. Um, in this day of COVID-19, more people are relying on digital products than physical products. Now, don't get me wrong, you still need physical products. You still need to eat, you still need to wear clothing, you still need medication. There's a host of physical things that you will need. However, there are more people staying home, working from home, that are looking for digital products to purchase to get their jobs done. For example, there are many people who would have gone to work and had someone transcribe something for them. They probably would go on Fiverr now to find a freelancer to transcribe for them. You know what I mean? Or maybe your company had a transcribing machine where you could dictate into the machine and it would just automatically transcribe things into text. Well, now you'd be going on Fiverr because you don't have that machine anymore. Or there are people who are having a lot more time on their hands and they're trying to learn how to do something or something they've always been interested in. So, for example, I understand there are more people concerned about baking bread or having bread to eat. There are a lot of people who are learning how to bake their own bread. And a lot of people have come to sites like this one to be able to learn how to do things like those. Right? And if you stick to the end of the video, guys, I'll show you another method at the end that allows you to earn money even while you're sleeping. Okay? Now, this particular method can be done by anyone. You don't necessarily have to be an expert in something. You just need to be better than the person who is purchasing the thing from you. And this product is an online course. Now, this site offers courses in categories like business, there's design, photography, development, marketing, IT and software, personal development, and so much more. Now, you probably think to yourself, oh, I don't have any skills I could teach. You probably do and you don't even realize it. Here's an example. There are people who do banking, there are people who do engineering, there are people who do data entry. And one thing that is common among all these trades is Microsoft Excel. You may not necessarily be a complete whiz at it, but you use it so much that you know shortcuts, you know how to troubleshoot issues, you know common problems that would occur, you know all these things. You could literally record your screen, record what you do, talk about specific topics that common people, everyday people would actually experience, and put that together in a course, and you could sell it here on this website for a fee. And once people are searching for how to whatever, your site, your course will pop up. They'll click on it, they'll take you to this site, and you can literally earn money from your course that you created passively. And you can earn up to, I would say $2,000, but come on, you can crush it with your course. Right? Now, on this course, let me just show you something real quick. Let's take this course for example, right? This one is a bestseller. And you can become a bestseller yourself. This course is called the Complete Business Plan course. So I'm assuming it teaches how to create business plans, right? This person, Chris Haroon, I hope I'm not pronouncing that wrong, but Chris, if you're watching this video, my bad. Your name's Chris H. Alright? You can earn. Okay, so this course costs $10.99. Right? So this is a special offer. It's typically at $134. But let's just say you happen to sell this course for $10.99. Just for argument's sake, right? He has 74,727 students enrolled right? That's how many people he has enrolled. Now, if I were to find my calculator here, right? Let me open my calculator and let's just do some simple math. Okay? If I multiplied, let's say $11 times, how many was it? 74,000, let's just say 400. Right? $818,000. $818,400 if he sold it at this sale price. No, I'm promising you that these students did not sign up at this $10.99 sale price. I'm sure thousands were students long before they had this price cut. Okay? Now, imagine multiplying 74,000, let's say 60,000 times the regular price of $134,099. You would be a millionaire just from creating courses. Now, again, you may think, "Oh, I don't know anything about business." Let me explain something to you. Different people find value in different things. There are people who are creating courses on how to help their autistic child. There are people creating courses on how to be a good narrator so that they could use their voice to make audiobooks for people. There are people creating courses on how to raise goats. I kid you not. Right? There are people creating courses on knitting, sewing, jewelry making, blacksmithing. There are people doing courses on how to fly drones. Drones. Let me type in drones. Okay? See that? UAS drone remote pilot test prep. Right? Stunning aerial videography and photography using drones. So you can learn how to shoot photos and videos using your drone for $12.99. Right? I'm sure if you search, you would see people probably teach you how to build a drone, how to use your drone to earn money. And this is something so many people are doing. You look at this guy. The Ultimate Guide for Land Surveying with Drones Part 1. $12.99. 668 reviews, and that's just reviews. It's not the true number of students. Just the reviews. Not everybody who purchases something leaves a review. Now multiply that number by $12.99 and you'll notice that the original price is pretty much $100. So this person has earned roughly $70,000 already. Guys, you need to be creating courses. You should be creating courses and selling them on here. So that the site, as you've probably seen already from my search earlier, is called Udemy. Udemy is one of the leading online platforms that allows people to host their courses there, so that anyone who's searching how to do something will find your course and purchase it, and you get the money, right? So there's quite a few people doing this, quite a few people making bank, creating and teaching simple courses. You should be doing that as well. Now, I won't lie, this is a great way to earn money. There are other ways that I want to share with you that you can earn $2,000 plus as well. In fact, you could earn a full-time income from these methods. These methods are created by real life people, real world situations, and are making real money. And I'm talking 5-6 figures per year, right? A lot of people lost their jobs when the COVID-19 pandemic hit. A lot of people are still jobless. A lot of people are wondering how they're going to sustain their families. And guys, if you click the links below in this video, it will take you to some landing pages. They're going to ask for your email address and name. These landing pages and collection of email addresses is just so that we can reach out to you whenever there are things happening in the industry, whenever there's something important that we want to notify you about. whenever there's something we want to inform you about in future, something that you might be interested in. So we're not going to sell your information. We're not going to do anything like that. It's just for us to use to communicate with you. So just enter your name and email address below. When you click the links, there are some videos that you can watch, some seminars that you can sign up for free. And after that, make your decision based on the facts you've received. Udemy is a great way to earn money. In my opinion, these methods in the links below are even better, because they earn money while you sleep, while you're out playing, while you're doing a host of different things. And it literally takes about, say, 2 hours of work a day, a couple days, and you can earn a full-time income. Guys, thanks for stopping by this channel. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the content I've shared today, hit the like button, subscribe. I create content very frequently. And share this with someone that you know is great at creating courses, or is great at creating content that they could use to create a course to monetize. This is the Internet Income Ninja, guys. Stay safe.